Taking time to think, learning to make good choices. Hippo sometimes made choices that did not work out well. Hippo liked to rush. He didn't stop and wait. Hippo liked to get his way, no matter what. When Hippo made a choice, he didn't always think that he could be a problem. On Wednesday, it was a lovely day. Mrs. Tree decided to take the class for a walk. Mrs. Tree told everyone to put on their boots. She told them to wait by the door. But Hippo chose not to wait and didn't stop to think. Stupid bloody idiot! Hippo rushed to the door. He tripped over Monkey's boots. He knocked into Parrot and landed on poor Flamingo. Oof! Hippo had not made a good choice. He had not thought it through. That was not the right thing to do. In the park, Hippo wanted to play on the roundabout. He decided to push the hippo and chose to push hard. Even when Goliath yelled, "Stop!" and when Lion said, "Wait!" Hippo wanted to get his own way. It was not the right thing to do. This is very bad behavior. The ice cream van arrived. Hippo cried, "Me first!" and he rushed across the path. He didn't stop to look. "Watch out!" the cyclist called. But Hippo chose not to listen. Hippo didn't stop to think. He caused a lot of trouble. It was not the right thing to do. Again, stupid bloody idiot. On the way back to school, it began to rain. Soon there were puddles on the path. Hippo liked puddles. He liked them very much. Splash! Hippo jumped in a puddle. Splash! Then another. "You've covered us in mud!" cried Mrs. Tree. That was not the right thing to do. Then Hippo stopped. He stopped and turned around. He stopped to look at the mud on Mrs. Tree's coat, at the mud on her bag. When Hippo looked at Mrs. Tree's face, he could see he had not made a good choice. It had not been the right thing to do. Taking time to think things through stops things from going wrong, explained Mrs. Tree. That's right. Hippo looked down at the muddy boots. He stopped to think again. He chose to say sorry because it was the right thing to do. At school, Hippo chose to take off his muddy boots. He decided to wait his turn. He chose not to rush in because that was the right thing to do. Everything worked out for the hippo because he had learned to make good choices. What a good boy, huh? This is story time with Mabel. Thank you for listening.